What's going on, guys? Eric here with a super quick video. How do you know if your Amazon packages should not be on your route after you've already scanned them in? Alright guys, super quick. That number in parentheses is the number of your packages in order. So when you see that top package in green is not number 1, that's how you know that package should not be on your route. You can also check your map. You see that one that's way out in that area by itself, that's that package. So to take that off, because sometimes warehouse, it takes them forever and it keeps showing up on my route, you go to preview route, help, remove items. Sorry, I clicked on the wrong one there. So let's do that one more time. You go to that help up on the top right, go to return items, go package is missing, click that little button, and then that will take the package off your route so it won't show up. Alright, so anyway guys, that was just a quick little tip. Hope it helps you out. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that like button and leave some comments, and I'll see you in the next video.